rice nori rolls. Prepare the ingredients. Open 1 packet of nori, which is seaweed paper. Pour 2 cups of brown rice into a saucepan. Add 4 cups of boiling water and bring to the boil over a high heat. Reduce the heat to a simmer and cover with a lid for 20 minutes. In a glass, mix 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar with 3 tablespoons of raw brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and set aside. Cut 1 carrot into battens. Cut 1 cucumber into battens. Slice an avocado each quarter lengthwise. When the rice is ready, spoon out onto a tray. Pour over the rice wine vinegar mixture. Mix well with a flat spatula. Then set aside to cool for 5 minutes. The ingredients are now ready to assemble. Place nori seaweeds shiny side down onto a bamboo mat. Spread rice evenly over the nori, keeping about 1 inch free. Place the cucumber across the rice. Place the carrot across the rice. Place the avocado across the rice. Lift the bamboo mat closest to you and begin to roll. Wet the exposed edge of the sheet and complete the roll. Repeat the steps to create 4 rolls. Slice with a wet sharp knife and serve with soy sauce, wasabi and pickled ginger.